Okay. Hello there. Welcome to Shrek's Hotel. How can I help you? I get a room for 5 nights, please. We have an empty room on the 2nd floor. Okay, it's this one. This is a weird room. Talking. We're gonna figure. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Alright, let's go to sleep. Oh, need to go to the toilet before you go to sleep, bruh. Alright. And if night 1, night 2. Okay, let's see what Shrek wants today. Welcome back. What are you doing today? If you don't mind me asking. Just working hard on a new job I have got. There is not a...
What?
Just working hard on...
What are you talking about, man?
You think you can help me with it and get paid for it? Fuck no. Noise. Can you see the boxes on your back? Please take them upstairs to the first room. Alright. These ones. Work over here. Well done. Go to sleep now. I'll pay tomorrow night. Of course. I need to take a shit. Sleep now, cause... Alright, time to sleep. What the hell? He said to clean the bathroom? The fuck did he go? What does that say? It's too late, but there was a way to kill Shrek in night 2. I fucking knew it. It had to be those weapons on the wall and upstairs. It's gotta be that. Okay, let's put this back. And I'm going to sleep. Run and don't look behind you. What do you mean? I look behind me. I'm running. I'm running. No, I can't run. Oh, it's midnight, sir. Why are you so late? Had a nightmare again. By the way, where were you? You were gone after I cleaned the toilet. I'm sorry, I had to go do something, and I checked the toilet. It was very clean. Thank you. Go sleep now. It's midnight. Do I have to go to the bathroom? Nope. Night 4. Is everything okay? Yes, everything's okay. There's a small issue with the light, which will be fixed soon. Alright, then, is there anything you want me to do today for you? No, I mean yes. Oh, why are you asking? Go take the broom again and clean the mess in the toilet. This guy's being a bit. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh. Dude! What the fuck is going on here? I should get the hell out of here right now. Am I in the fucking back room? Don't look too happy. I'll let you go if you win my challenge. like 40 onions for me, else I'll make a red gout with your skin. You have 1 minute. So,